From the very first minute, the judge makes it crystal clear. This courtroom won't tolerate delays or excuses. The pressure is on.
Submit that to the court.
All right.
Go ahead.
We're going to extend your plea deadline date, and this will be the final plea deadline date. Excuse me, does anyone remember the special prosecutor on Mishler?
It's Miss Crespo.
Oh, okay.
It's Miss Crespo.
All right, did she say she was going to be on vacation at some point?
Yesterday, and the day you gave her was August 4th, I think. And she said she not to send someone else.
I know her schedule because we've been talking quite a bit.
Okay.
She's in trial this week, Judge, and then the next week she's out. So our opportunity to talk and nail down the moving parts would come presumably after she's back.
And when is that?
After next week. So
The week of August 4th?
The first is Friday.
Yes.
So that would make, she'll be out that next week. So it'd be the second week of August is when she's back. Judge.
All right, this is an old case. And I know it's not an old case in the sense of when it was indicted, but this will be your final deadline date. There will be no further extensions. So you all have to confer off record. Norma, can you put this for August 12th as a final deadline date? Will you be here or not?
I'll be coming back from Louisiana that day, Judge, because we're moving my son to Tulane.
Look at you. I should hold that against you. LSU is right down the road and you're doing Tulane. Okay.
So you just have even a few more days.
What do you feel about Tulane as opposed to becoming an Aggie?
I think it's a good fit for this. For my younger son, it's a great fit.
Awesome. So when will you be back?
We'll be back the 12th.
All right. So Norma, set this for August 14th.
I'll be here, Jen.
All right. Safe travels.
Thank you.
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
I'm covering that for Joanne de Hoyos.
All right. Are they on bond or in custody?
I verified they're on bond and prior to this.
Here the tension spikes. Deadlines become weapons. One missed date, and the defense could lose its entire footing.
My laptop.
All right. And so, and the bondsman has no idea?
If you would like me to.
I mean, do you want to call them to check in with them? And then, or if you want it heard now, I'll hear it now.
I can call in, but I would have to come back later this morning, fairly busy.
Sure. Okay. Adriana Ramos?
Mr. Sullivan present, Your Honor?
Yes. All right. So there's a motion to withdraw?
Yes, ma'am. She called me yesterday. She wanted me gone, and that's fine. She wants a new lawyer. I hope the court can give her one.
Well, I mean, is she going to hire an attorney?
No, no, ma'am, that's not what happened.
All right. What's going on?
I had to call the MAC number yesterday for the second time. I've been having many problems with Mr. Boyd. He's very unprepared when we come to court.
Well, just 1 second. Let's do this. So I'm going to have you remain, and I'll have managed assigned counsel come down.
What does that mean, ma'am?
Oh, the MAC attorney is going to come down
Okay, yes, ma'am.
so they can see what's going on here.
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Just have a seat, okay? All right, Norma, can you have managed assigned counsel come down, please?
Yeah.
Court is calling 2025 CR 005379 State versus Adriana Ramos. Could I have parties announced, please?
That's all, Ms. Miles.
Adriana Ramos.
All right. So it is the court's understanding that your attorney has filed a motion to withdraw. Are you aware of his motion to withdraw?
Yes.
All right. So I don't do ex parte. However, managed assigned counsel just sent an email to the court coordinator, and the court is in receipt of that. Any objections to the court reviewing what managed assigned counsel has sent?
No, Your Honor.
All right. All right. So the email that has been sent to me, and I want to explain to you, Ms. Ramos, normally I do not allow motions to withdraw just because there's some sort of lack of communication, but based upon what managed assigned counsel has sent.
Money enters the spotlight. Restitution isn't just paperwork. It's the difference between freedom and time behind bars.
Please, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Amen.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Adriana Ramos.
All right, so Ms. Ramos, the questions I'm going to ask you, it has absolutely nothing to do with the facts of your case. Please do not tell me anything about the facts of your case because your attorney would not want you to, okay? All right, so are you able to afford a new attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, do you have any funds in a bank account, any savings?
Not really. My mom just passed away in May, so
Mhm.
I just had to bury her.
Okay.
I do have a job at AutoZone, but it's part-time.
Okay. So do you have any money in a savings?
No, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to have a new attorney appointed to you, and that new attorney is going to be Orlando Castillo. All right. So if you'll confer with him.
Yes.
All right. She's set today. We're off the record. She's set today for a just discovery. It's just discovery today.
Okay.
So that's what we're here for.
Okay.
So he'll confer with you, and then he'll confer with the state, and then he can approach me when you're ready.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present on that case.
All right. Good morning.
How are you, Judge?
Oh, I'm doing great. Have you conferred with the state?
I have, Judge. They were going to look at their file, and then we were going to discuss the case further. The only thing that I believe that I may be missing is some cell phone video that's referenced in some of the reports, but I can confer with the DA on that.
All right, state, do you have cell phone videos on Corbin Levi Szymanski? He's on page 3.
You're not there.
All right.
Check.
Okay. All right. Ms. Ferguson, set this for discovery and state this will be set for discovery in 30 days.
Yes.
And counsel, at that 30-day time period, if you have not conferred with the state before that time period, you'll need to be in court.
Sure, Judge. I apologize if I was supposed to be there this morning. I talked.
No. You can appear by Zoom, but I want to make sure that there's communication between the defense and the state.
Yes, Judge. Absolutely.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, what date? All right, so we're going to come back on August 28th for discovery. Mr. Szymanski, I know that you are at work, so you can appear by Zoom.
Judge, I've got a conflict. I'm going to be in Tennessee on the 28th. Is there any way to do that earlier that week?
What are you doing in Tennessee?
Judge, I'm on vacation. Starting the 28th, the morning of the 28th, I leave on an airplane to Tennessee to go play golf.
See, people tell us these things, and then I don't know, we're sort of jealous.
I know, Judge. I apologize. I didn't want to say it, but you asked me.
All right, Norma, if you can, when do you leave?
I leave on the morning of the 28th, so I could do it the day before, which is the 27th.
All right. Norma, can you put this then on the, well, aren't you going to be packing on the 27th still?
Judge, not really. I just got to throw my golf clubs and some shorts in a bag.
Okay. All right. We'll put it on the 27th. Norma, is the 27th a good day or no? All right. So let's do it the 26th then. Is that a good day?
Yes, Judge.
All right. We can do it for the 26th. Wednesdays are usually when we're in trial.
Okay, perfect. I'll see you guys on the 26th, and I'll reach out to the state.
No, he's still here. All right, so it'll be the August 26th council.
Thank you, Judge, very much. May I be excused?
Yes, you both may be excused.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. State and settle. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Oh, us?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
Hello, Hunter.
Hello, Judge.
Hi. So, what is happening with these other cases?
Which other cases, Judge?
On Campion, I have a 2025 CR 007085 and some PF cases.
Or
Oh, do you know what? You all are not on Valerie Campion. You're on Settle. I'm sorry.
I'm on that one, Judge.
All right, just give us a moment, counsel.
I was like, oh shoot, I don't remember those, Judge.
Well, I was like, I don't remember those
I can
either.
update you, Judge.
Okay. I was like, what is happening with all these cases? All right. If Ms. Settle will come forward. All right. Court is calling 2025 CR 000240 and 2025 CR 013090. State versus Elizabeth Settle. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Hunter Morris for the state.
Will Brooks for the defendant, Judge.
All right. And you're Miss Settle? All right. We were here on July 28th. The court ordered you to have a drug testing done, and that was completed. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what were the results?
So she was positive, Your Honor, but it was for her medication-assisted treatment. There was nothing else, no other substances.
All right. So the other reason why I had this case recalled back, because this is actually a tough case, right? And it's a tough case. And when you read it on the surface, you should be going to prison. But then there are other things for me to consider as well. The fact that you have a child, and it appears that you have changed your life, and defense, I believe yesterday you said that she was being accepted into felony drug court.
Yes, Judge, and also I had some argument for the court too. The court was ready, but that is correct, Judge. She was screened for felony drug court. They did not accept her because at the time she had not been sentenced. But I verified with felony drug court that should she be placed on probation, they are able to accept her and can squeeze her in.
All right, so state.
Yes, Judge.
I understand why the reason you're asking for prison time. I do, and I want you, Ms. Settle, to internalize what I'm saying. What I'm considering is the fact that she has a child. It appears that she has changed. Sometimes it takes people a long time to have a wake-up call. I still don't understand why you keep having children when your life is not where it should be. But usually when people are addicted to drugs, they're not thinking appropriately to begin with. They're not thinking about the future. They're not thinking about how their drug use will impact everyone else. And state on this case, I see that you're asking for a cap of 6 years in the prison. And one case is a second-degree felony. And the other case is a third-degree felony. And I'm assuming she has restitution to pay?
If it isn't included in that plea bargain right there, Judge, then no certain amount.
All right. So we're going to see the amount of restitution, and state you've had a chance to hear her testimony. Are you still going to be requesting prison time?
Judge, the position of the state is that this offer was made considering the history, the knowledge that Ms. Settle has been before this court previously, also with a new child, asking for the same type of leniency in treatment, and was offered that leniency in treatment and turned it down and returned directly to that life. And so it's not just Ms. Settle the state is concerned about, but it's Ms. Settle's children, it's Ms. Settle's family, and it's Ms. Settle's community, many of which were victims of Ms. Settle. And that is the reason the state is opposed. But the state is cognizant of what appears to be genuine changes in Ms. Settle's life.
All right. And I know that this involves her mother.
Yes, Judge. So the world is an ironic place. It turns out I'm appointed to represent Miss Settle, but I've known Miss Settle since she was about knee-high. I've known the complainant, her mother, and also her brother, who's referenced in the PSI, someone that I went to high school with, was close friends with. Mm-hmm. So I've known this family a long time. I've spoken to the complainant, to her mother, Judge. Mm-hmm. She is certainly at wit's end with Miss Settle. She's spent a great deal of money helping her out, trying to get her on her feet. But it is also clear in the PSI that she is seeing and she's witnessed some of the changes that Miss Settle has made in her life.
and is made. And the question came up yesterday, Judge, what's different or what's changed? And I think the distinction between this time and last time